Hello, Year 7. So I'm just going to take you through a set of steps here and the resources that we'll use to do your homeworks this half term. So it's all about making notes and making notes well from the textbook, a skill that you would use throughout Key Stage 3, 4, 5, university, and maybe later on in life as well. So this is the Year 7 science page. You might recognise the topic here, particle model. You did that last half a term. This is the topic you're looking at this half term. And the topic you're probably on right now is probably friction, which is here. So I'm just going to click on this. Actually, might be a really good idea to bookmark these pages, and you can go right to the bottom to bookmark the page there, okay? Get right back to it easily. But when I set your homework, you're going to be looking at your textbook pages, okay? Now, here's the friction textbook page, first double page spread, and then the second one here. So this is what you would have in your textbook, essentially. So I'll just run through a resource that I'm going to share with you to help you do these homeworks. Okay, so let's just make that smaller. There we go. Get myself out of the way. Okay, so title, friction, would go in here, friction forces. Now, the next box, what are all the bold words on the page? Can you find out what they mean? So I want to talk about keywords that are in bold. We're talking about here friction, so we need to find out what that means. And then there's another one here called lubricants, all right? So those two things are clearly the most important things definitions we need to know on the page. They should be going in this box here, okay? Next, for your notes, bottom right in the double page, we've actually got bottom right for your notes, a box there with the key takeaway points from that page, all right? So here, it's actually got the definition of friction, and then it says what lubricants do as well. And we can reduce or increase friction to make it useful for us. For example, when you look at the page here, we can reduce friction, or friction can be useful when we're running. We can reduce friction to make it useful when we're riding our bike, for example. So we put oil on our gears or our cogs, and then tyres on our car. So it's really useful to increase friction on the tyres on a car so we get good brakes, basically. So the interesting fact, did you know, would be there. So we can copy that into here. That's the interesting fact. And then the really kind of the hardest bit here is the summarization of each paragraph in one sentence. So the ones we pointed out, friction can be useful. Why is friction useful? How do we reduce friction? And why is it useful to make the friction on your tyres much better? Maybe a sentence about Elijah McCoy. And he worked on the railroads oiling the engines of trains. In his spare time, he developed a self-lubricating cap that sent oil immediately to the engine. So a bit of history about lubricants and also about the uses of friction there. Okay, so there's your 4 boxes. I want you to try and do that for this page, and it will be essentially the same for all the pages that are to come. Thank you.